Grace and peace to you, and welcome back to my channel. This is Donald Siami, author of A Hidden Mathematical Genius Within and Viewed. Today, I want us to look at quadratic equations. There are three ways in which we can solve these quadratic equations. There is a factorization method, completing the square method, and formula method. Today we'll look at factorization method. And this factorization method is the same concept for searching method. They all were factorizing expressions using our searching method. Okay, so we're going to follow the same steps. So equation 1, we have 2x squared minus 3x minus 9 is equal to 0. So first thing, we need to determine the values for a, b, and c. So a is just the coefficient of x squared, and that is 2. b is the coefficient of x, and that is minus 3. And c, the term independent of x, that is minus 9. So first step, we find the product, and product is just a times c. So that is 2 times negative 9. So you get negative 18 or minus 18. Then sum is just b, and this b is negative 3. Okay, so we need to find two factors of negative 18 whose sum is negative 3. Meaning, when you multiply these two numbers, we should get negative 18. And when you add or subtract, you should get negative 3. Okay, what are these numbers? Yes, it's negative 6 and 3. Negative 6 multiplied by 3, you get negative 18. Negative 6 plus 3, you get negative 3. So these are the factors for, they are the coefficients for x. So where there is minus 3x, we are going to replace with minus 6x plus 3x. So you get 2x squared. Where there is minus 3x, we are going to have minus 6x plus 3x. Then minus 9 is equal to 0. Okay, so since we have these four terms, we can now factorize by grouping terms. Okay, what is common in these two? That is in 2x squared and 6x. Yes, 2x is common, so you divide out 2x. So you say 2x squared divided by 2x, you get x, minus 6x divided by 2x, yes, that is 3. Okay, then in 3x and minus 9, what is common? Yes, 3 is common, so you say plus 3. 3x divided by 3, you get x, minus 9 divided by 3, that is 3, then equal to 0. Then we can see that here we have a common factor of x minus 3. There is x minus 3 here and x minus 3 there. So we divide out x minus 3. Okay, we divide out x minus 3. So when we divide out x minus 3 here, you remain with 2x. You divide out x minus 3 here, you remain with what? Plus 3. And this is equal to 0. Okay, so we have the product of x minus 3 and 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, we know that when you multiply two numbers, then you get 0. It means one of the two numbers is a 0. Okay, so If this is a product and the result is 0, it means either x minus 3 is equal to 0 or 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, then we solve for x. So the first one here, for us to remain with x this side, here there is minus 3. To cancel out minus 3 this side, you do the opposite. So you add the 3. So we are going to add 3 to both sides of the equation. Or you say, here it is minus 3, this side it will be plus 3. So we are going to have x is equal to, this is negative 3, this side will be 3. So x is equal to 3, or again here 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. The plus 3 will go this side, here it is plus 3, and this side it will be minus 3. So we have 2x is equal to minus 3. Then to remain with x, you divide by 2 to both sides of the equation. So we have over 2 over 2. Okay, so x is equal to 3, or x is equal to 2 and 2 there will cancel out. So we remain with the negative 3 over 2. Okay, so according to the Examination Council of Zambia standard, we don't leave answers as improper fractions. So we need, you either leave it as a mixed fraction or a decimal number. So we have x is equal to 3, or x is equal to 2 in 3, it's 1. That is negative 1 point. There is a remainder of 1. So you add the 0 there. 2 in 10, you get 5. Okay. So those are the two possible solutions. That is for 2x squared minus 3x minus 9 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3, or x is equal to negative 1.5. Okay. Number 2, that is B. We have x squared minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Again, it's the same thing. We determine the values for a, b, and c. So a is the coefficient of x squared, that is 1. B is the coefficient of x, that is negative 3. And c is the term independent of x, and that is negative 10 or minus 10. Okay. So first step, find the product. So product is a times c, that is 1 times negative 10. So product is negative 10. Then sum is just b, and b there is negative 3. Okay, so we need to look for two numbers. When you multiply them, you should get negative 10. And when you add or subtract, you should get minus 3. Okay, what are these two numbers? Yes, it's supposed to be negative 5 and 2. Negative 5 multiplied by 2, you get negative 10. Negative 5 plus 2, you get negative 3. Okay, so these two numbers are the coefficients of x. So where there is minus 3x, we'll put minus 5x plus 2x. Okay, so we have x squared. So where there is minus 3x, you get minus 5x plus 2x, then minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, from these two, you divide out what is common. There is x squared and 5x. What is common? Yes, x is common. So you divide out x. X squared divided by x, you get x. Minus 5x divided by x, yes, we get 5. In these two, what is common? Yes, 2 is common. So we say plus 2. 2x divided by 2, that is x. Minus 10 divided by 2, yes, 5. And this is equal to 0. Again, we can see that there is a common factor of x minus 5. So we divide out x minus 5. So when you divide out x minus 5 here, you remain with x. You divide out x minus 5 here, you remain with what? Plus 2. So again, we have the product of x minus 5 and x plus 2 equal to 0. So either x minus 5 or either x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So here, to remain with x, this is minus 5, this side it will be what? Positive 5. So x is equal to 5, or here it's plus 2, this side it will be minus 2. So or x is equal to minus 2. So those are the two possible solutions for B. That is x is equal to 5 or x is equal to negative 2.